We are pleased to show you the 2020 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, remote trunk release, FWD, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.